Hi all, welcome back. Let's check length final variable applicable to the only arrays and length final method applicable to only string objects. So let's check the difference between this final variable applicable to the arrays and this final method applicable to the only string objects. Okay, so let's declare one array. Okay. Okay, so I have declared and initialized an array. Okay, now what I will do, I will apply length final variable on top of the array with the name a, and I'm printing that. So I'm applying this length variable on this array. So what it will do, this length final variable will give the total number of elements in that array. That means array size. So suppose if you run this program, you could see that output is 5. That means total number of elements in that array. Suppose I will add one more element and let me run this. See, 6 now, because number of elements in that array is 6 now. So length final variable applicable to the only arrays, and it gives the length of that array. I mean number of elements in that array. And what about this length method? It is applicable only to the string objects. Let me declare one string. Okay. We need to give a reference variable name, right? So let's give yes. And now what I will do, I will print that. Okay. Yes is a string type object, and I'm on top of that object I will apply the length. So let me comment this to avoid the confusion. Now let me run this. You could see 8. So this length method on top of the string object will give the number of characters in that string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's say I added some more like practice Java. So let me run this. You could see 13 characters because practice is having the 8 characters and Java is having the 4 characters. Total 14. But all together, right, will be considered as a string within double quotes. So space also there. It's considered as a character because this all these practice space Java space enclosed with double quotes. So space also will be considered as one character. So totally size will be length. So that is what the difference between length final variable applicable to the arrays and length method applicable to the string objects. This is also final method. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.